What's up guys, welcome back to the Feiyue FY03H. Now, done a review on this, gave it a run, quite impressed with it. However, I wanted to try it on a 2S Lipo. So this video is going to be the speed run with this AWANFI 2S Lipo, so 1500 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt, 45C. This was sent to me a while ago. I've used it quite a bit, impressed with these batteries. There is a link in the description. So we're going to do a 2S run, I'm going to do a speed run. On the supplied lithium ion, it got 29 kilometers an hour, as you saw. I'll show you that in a minute. And then we're going to do the speed run with the 2S and see what we get there. And then give it a little bit of a bash as well. And as you'll be able to see, the 2S makes a big difference, especially to the punch on this. So acceleration, I said in the previous video that this accelerates really well. It's got some good gearing. It's just not quite got that top end of some of the brushed versions. But good basher, really good off-road. And as you'll see with the Lipo, makes a big difference to that punch. Popping wheelies and stuff like that. So I'll let you look at that now. I'll show you the speed run and you'll see we've got a little bit more out of it. And then we've got a bit of a bashing video after that, only a small one. And then what I want to do is I'm going to tear this down and we're going to have a look underneath at the electronics and stuff. So those of you that just want to watch the speed run on that, that's coming now. And then if you want to hang around, we'll take this apart, we'll have a look and we'll see what's underneath it. So let's have a look inside. So there's the electronic speed controller there. Apparently it's a 45 amp, it's quite a decent size actually. Then underneath there you've got your little 3-channel receiver. This is the bit I like. If you've got your favourite transmitter receiver, you can just swap it out in this without any issues with having to get a new ESC. And then on the other side you've got your outboard motor. Obviously these, like I've said, these are more popular in aeroplanes, helicopters and stuff, so it's a bit strange to see one in here, but it seems to work. I think this is going to be an easy upgrade to put a different brushless in, and I think you'll be able to keep the original speed controller. So that is something I'm going to do. I'm going to put a slightly bigger motor in here once I've done a bit more bashing with this. And then here you've got your gears with your slipper clutch in there. Heard this could be a weak spot, but we'll give it a try and see where we get. So that's underneath. What I'm going to do now is going to take the rear axle off and we'll have a look at that. So there you go, axle's off. There's your metal diff there with bearings. It's only got brass ones there, but you got your main bearings there, and then you got your metal bearings in the end there. And a nice addition, which I think all of these Feiyues have got, is the metal hexes. So that's it all stripped down. Had a good look over it. Got any questions about it, stick it in the comments. Next job for this is oil shocks, and then we're going to take it to the skate park, see how durable it is. Cheers for watching. I'll see you next time.